certain requirements differ from in our two countries, I think we have to work towards the harmonization of these requirements. So these practical matters that seem to be minor are actually quite important.
All midshipmen on restriction for minor conduct offenses are hereby officially absolved.
Find a minor mistake on your insurance form that you submitted years ago. That can't be allowed to happen.
Big-hearted, Bert once delayed serving a minor warrant until a Sunday so that the defendant, a father of 6, could earn one more day's pay for his family.
They're small, they're minor, but they give a signal, an important signal right now.
It amends the language in all federal health, education, and labor laws to remove that same phrase and instead refer to Americans living with an intellectual disability. This may seem to some people like a minor change, but I think Rosa's brother Nick put it best. Where's Nick? You right there, Nick? You can wave too. Go ahead.
And so this is a modest setback, but I'm confident we're going to get it done, and we're going to keep on.
Here, Mr. President, we're not moved by a minor interest of a bureaucratic occupation of spaces of representation.
And, you know, that may sound like minor things, but once you can't do any of that ever again, you start feeling like, well, this is a little strange.
I missed some deadlines, but I learned from my mistakes. And I graduated with a Bachelor's of Science in Biomedical Sciences with a minor in Chemistry, Psychology, and Spanish at age 22.
It's a minor league. There'll be hot mics and etch-a-sketch moments. You will cover every word that we say. And so, in keeping with tradition, I declare all midshipmen on restriction for minor conduct offenses are hereby absolved. And it's true, it took her a few tries, but it was worth it after being turned down for insurance 3 times due to minor pre-existing conditions. Remember, before the Affordable Care Act, these bad apple insurers had free rein every single year to limit the care that you received or use minor pre-existing conditions to jack up your premiums or bill you into bankruptcy.
But even if we get the hardware and software working exactly the way it's supposed to, with relatively minor glitches, what we're also discovering is that insurance is complicated to buy.
So loud on multiple occasions, they've actually created minor earthquakes, which is disturbing. And
to the entire class, let me reassure you in these final hours at West Point, as Commander-in-Chief, I hereby absolve all cadets who are on restriction for minor conduct offenses.
The Arabic is like a major or a minor, but it has 4 of them.